I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Quaker Oats step by step. Measure 1 cup oats and 2 cups water, then bring to a gentle simmer and stir occasionally for even cooking. Use low heat and cover partially to avoid boil-overs while checking texture every few minutes. Finish with butter, salt, or sweetener, and add fruit or nuts for texture and flavor. Start by heating the liquid until it simmers, then add Quaker Oats slowly while stirring so they hydrate evenly and don't clump. Keep heat low and stir frequently for 4 to 6 minutes until the oats thicken and look creamy. Taste and adjust salt or sweetener, then remove from heat and let rest 1 minute for final set. Top with fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of maple syrup. Use a deep microwave-safe bowl to avoid messy boil-overs when making Quaker Oats quickly. Mix oats and water or milk, microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, and pause if it starts to rise. Stir thoroughly after heating and let the oatmeal sit 30 seconds so it finishes thickening. Add your favorite toppings and enjoy a warm bowl in minutes, perfect for busy mornings or last-minute breakfasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.